Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this coriander rice. This came out really well. You should definitely try out this recipe, and this goes very well with cucumber raita or any chutney. You should definitely try out this, and let's get started and check out the recipe. Take 1 cup of basmati rice, soak it in water for 30 minutes at least. Take half cup of coriander and 1 inch of ginger, 3 garlic cloves, onion 1/4 cup, and water 1/4 cup. Add cumin seed of 1 teaspoon and grind them to a smooth paste. You can add green chili if you have. I did not have it, so I'll replace it with red chili powder. Now cook your rice separately. Now add 4 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add all the whole spices, bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and cumin seeds of half teaspoon. Add onion, chopped onion of half cup, and cook them in high flame for 2 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. And now add vegetables. I have taken carrot half cup and green peas half cup. You can add cauliflower or beans if you have. Capsicum also can be added, but we don't like capsicum, so we didn't add it. Add the coriander paste. Add red chili powder 1 teaspoon if you have not added green chili, and then add half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix them well. Let the flame be in medium. Add water 1/4 cup and let the carrot get cooked for some time. 2 minutes should be enough. It can be kept crunchy, and then add the cooked rice. Now mix it well. Keep the flame low. Mix it well. And our coriander rice is almost ready. Check the salt and add more salt if required. Add 2 to 3 teaspoon of lemon juice. This will enhance the taste, so you should definitely add this. Now garnish it with some chopped coriander and enjoy the hot coriander rice. This was really delicious. You should definitely try out this. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.